As Indigo CEO is also expected to reply to show cause notice by this evening. He has sought an extension to this evening, stating that he was occupied with operational challenges and therefore could not reply last evening. But let me just come to you on that also. This is the latest that we are getting right now, that the Indigo CEO is expected to reply to the show cause notice by this evening. Pai, let me just come to you back on this latest that we're getting right now. What can you tell us? What sort of changes are we likely to see going forward?
Well, as known to our viewers, we were the first channel to break and say that the CEO will also be made answerable. A show cause notice was issued to him on Sunday, on Saturday evening as well, and the timeline was 24 hours. Sunday evening was when he was expected to, in fact, reply back to the show cause notice issued to him by the DGCA. But he has sought an extension of a few hours because he said that the entire lot of the Indigo was occupied in meeting the challenges that were at hand to, in fact, ensure that baggages were put into place and to also ensure that people's refunds took center stage. So therefore, the time to reply back to the government as far as why Indigo's mismanagement really happened. He had sought extension up to 6 o'clock this evening, so we're expecting to hear from him in terms of what really went wrong, what were the steps that were taken. All of that is going to be a detailed response that is expected to give to the government of India.